Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we have the ultimate baked chili lime salmon on the menu. Let's get into it. Here are all of my lovely ingredients for this recipe. Now, I will have all of the exact measurements of everything that you see here in the description box. Now, as far as my salmon, I'll be bringing that out shortly.
Like a moth to a flame burned by the fire.
For this recipe specifically, I will be using Ploy's sweet chili sauce. It is absolutely the best of the best, and you can definitely grab her from your local grocery store. Let's melt some butter, shall we? So here I have at least 5 tablespoons of some salted butter, which I have slightly melted inside of the oven. I've added in some chili infused extra virgin olive oil in there, along with all of my lovely seasonings. So the goal here is to create a paste for our salmon. I'm adding in 1/2 of a lime in there with all of that butter, all of those seasonings, and I'm going to give that a generous mix. Now for the star of the show, here she is. She is nice and pink and thoroughly cleaned. I'm just going to go ahead and clip off the tail because we won't be needing that. And I'm going to dry her off as well because that's very important. We want to make sure that the salmon is nice and dry and she is ready to get painted with this chili lime seasoning paste. Now, being that I have my salmon already turned over on the back, it just makes sense to go ahead and get started. Now, I do want to make sure that I am spreading that paste out thoroughly because the goal is to leave majority of that paste for the very front of my salmon.
Go deeper, baby, deeper. You feel so good, I'm gonna cry.
As you can see, my salmon is beautifully coated with that chili lime seasoning paste. I'm now going to place her underneath the broiler on 500 degrees uncovered for about 70 minutes. This is just to make sure she develops a very caramelized and crispy skin. Now I'm going to reduce my temperature down to 325 degrees to finish cooking my salmon. I'm going to remove her from the oven and place the aluminum lid back on her and then place her back in there to finish baking for 25 minutes max while I work on my sauce. I've added in 3 tablespoons of some salted butter into the pan, followed by my bougie black minced garlic, and I'm going to give that a nice mix. I'm going to also go ahead and reduce my heat. Chili sauce going right on in, baby. Right on in there. 1/2 of a lime going right in as well. Okay. Get that right up in there. Look at those black specks from that black minced garlic. I mean, what? This is something that regular garlic just cannot do. Scallions.
My love is blind, can you see my desires?
And I'm gonna go ahead and reduce that on a low, baby. Put it on low, okay? We don't want to overcook our sauce. Now, while our sauce is on low, it's going to thicken up. So just stir occasionally, okay? All right, so I went ahead and I transferred my salmon onto this beautiful, beautiful plate. Okay, let's go ahead and dress her up. So I got our sauce. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour that right over sauce here. Ooh, goodness, look at that. Pour it right on over all of that. For presentation purposes, I'm going to go ahead and just drizzle just a little bit of red onion on the middle. Okay, nothing too much. Just a little bit. Really goes a long way. And I'm also going to top it off with a little bit more green scallions, baby. Because what? Hello. Has to have some of those green scallions on there. Just so necessary. Followed by some fresh chopped parsley. Hello. Let's sprinkle that right on top, baby. Just like that. And you got a beautiful masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe just as much as I did. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel as well. If you are not subscribed by now, what are you doing? Hello? Especially if you enjoy watching content like this.